Hello and welcome to Lazy Latkes with Rubissa Sharona. Usually I'm all about that natural product, grow the potato and then peel it and then grate it and then add, until suddenly it's all just too much and you want to do the thing with zero effort. So today I present Lazy Latkes. All right, so here's what I've done. First of all, I just got at Target a tiny waffle maker that makes your waffles in the shape of dreidels. And I'm very, very excited. But if you own any sort of a waffle maker at home, that works just as well. It just won't be as cute because it won't be latke shapes. I have, of course, olive oil because it wouldn't be Hanukkah without our shemen zayit. And then I have the two things that make it particularly lazy from from Costco. I have Hungry Jack's mashed potato mix and Idaho Spud's hash brown mix. In addition to that, I have 2 eggs. I already put in the hash brown mix. The instructions are to open it and fill it with hot water till the line. Done. My box is sitting warm. And I'm going to mix together 2 eggs, the Idaho Spud mix, and the Hungry Jack mix, and mix it together, and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so here the hash browns are, and they really fluff up amazingly. So what was a dehydrated thing that sat in my pantry for a long time is now big and fluffy. And I'm gonna add to it this very cheesy flavored mix, which again, I don't use these ingredients regularly until suddenly that point where it's just too much. All right, and 2 eggs. Now, once I've put all of these ingredients in together, I'll have kind of a feel for how dry it is, how much more moisture is needed, how much oil we want to put in the mix, and does it need a little more water? Trial and error, my friends, trial and error. All right, I put it all in and I mixed up. It's still pretty dry, so I need some more. If I had more eggs, I would put them in, but kiddos made eggs for breakfast. So I'm going to pour about a tablespoon of oil in, of that olive oil. And I'll add some hot water. All right. Now we're getting to more the texture I was hoping for. I need it to be pretty creamy. Right, because it really needs to be a nice consistency to fit inside of the waffle maker. Again, the joy of the waffle maker is it's one less item to clean. Lazy latkes. So now I've added enough hot water that it's getting pretty fluffy. If I had more eggs, I would have put in 4 eggs instead of 2, but kids eating eggs for breakfast. Again, lazy. I didn't make it, kiddos made it. All right, and now it's this nice fluffy texture. All right, and I have my little waffle maker, which I've been heating up. And it did say I could put olive oil in it, but just to make sure I get in all the crevices, use some spray oil. Then a little bit more shemen zayit. All right, and now it's all sizzling like it were a frying pan, but not. And we'll load it in. Oh, sizzle, 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 sizzle. All right, Toba came to check in on how this is going. Now it says to keep it going until it's a golden brown, and I will, but oh, look at that, beautiful. Now this side looks like a waffle, but the other side, when it's all done, will be dreidling.
It'll look like this.
This is the real test. It's been about 7 minutes.
Did it make a dreidel?
The waffle side looks good.
Careful. It worked!
I had a little dreidel. I made it out of latke.
And when it's
Dry and ready, I'll eat it for my lunch. Yay! Enjoy lazy latke making.